guys, Chad Rudolph Electronic Repair here. Welcome to the channel. First, if you haven't been here before, feel free to like and subscribe on the video if you like it. Comment if you have any questions or comments. And let's see what we got in the shop today, guys. Alright, today we have an HS-J135 on the bench. In this particular case, we did a lot of work to this unit here. It came in real bad shape. We replaced the bell. We did some repairs to the board itself. And this daughter board here, this small board, controls the motor. And there's some issues here. We believe that this chip right here is bad. So it's actually only going in one direction. So we told the customer the situation, and they were actually able to source a second one, which they're kind of hard to find. They were able to source a second one for parts. So what we're going to do is we're going to, we already put some batteries in it, tested it. Press play, it sounds like the motor's turning. The belt's probably bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this apart, we're going to take the back off, and see what it looks like. It looks like there's some corrosion in here, possibly. So we're just gonna take the back off, clean this guy up real good, and see what's going on with it. The customer wants one working unit, so whatever one we can make work is fine with that. Back off here, and this is what happens with rubber that's, I mean, what year was this made? Let's see. I don't see a date, but I mean, you know, this is what happens when rubber's, I don't know, 30 years old, 40 years old. I don't know when exactly these were made. But it disintegrates, it deteriorates. It turns into like a tar. It's just nasty stuff. Look at this. Just gross. And it really makes a mess of electronics. I mean, I don't know if you could see that, but it literally turns into a tar. And it's extremely hard to get off. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to take the board off, and we're gonna have to get in here and clean this with alcohol. I mean, there's a piece right here. See that? Watch. It just that's the belt. That's probably the original belt. Look at that. It turns into a nasty, sticky, gross mess. Super hard to clean. But that's just the way it is. You're working on old units like this, and that's what you're gonna find. Decomposed rubber like that. So we're gonna continue on. We're gonna take out this board, and we're gonna start cleaning that old nasty belt out. Okay, we're getting there. We're actually getting some audio output from a tape, which is a good sign. We do have an issue here where we press play. It plays for about a second or two, and then it automatically switches to reverse play for some reason. So maybe something's binding up. Something still could be dirty. That could cause that issue. Check the cap stands and all that stuff. So we're going to look over it again and see what's going on, see if we can figure this out.
Let's find some kind of deep.
All right, that looks like we're good here. We nailed down that problem. There was an issue with the reversing mode here. It was physically broken. The plastic switch, the mechanical switch was broken, so we took it off the donor, popped it in here. We also cleaned the potentiometer here with some IPA, and it sounds fine. Reverse was sticky a little bit. We cleaned that. It's working fine. If you have any vintage audio equipment or any electronics in general, go to www.rudolphrepairs.com. If you want to email us, it's rudolphrepairs@gmail.com. Our 800 number is 1-800-517-9101. Till next time, guys.